You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're looking ahead at how international moving is evolving and how SDC International Shipping continues to lead the way in 2026 and beyond. The world of relocation has changed. Families are moving not just for work, but for a lifestyle. Professionals are relocating remotely. Retirees are choosing new adventures in Portugal, Costa Rica, even Thailand. Students are studying across continents. The world is smaller, but moving your life still requires expertise and precision. At SDC, we've adapted with technology and care. Our 2026 services include digital shipping tracking from pickup to delivery, integrated customs systems for faster clearance, flexible hybrid shipping options with sea and air for time-sensitive moves, expanded vehicle and artwork shipping programs, and sustainable packing solutions that reduce waste without compromising protection. But while innovation drives our process, what defines us has not changed, and that is human connection. We move people, not just property. We understand every box holds memories, and every shipment represents a chapter in someone's life. Whether you're a student heading to Amsterdam, a retiree settling in Ireland, or a family relocating to Australia, we're here to make sure your move is guided, not guessed. 2026 is a new year, and that new chapter is waiting. Start your international journey with confidence. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267 to begin planning your move today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.